In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace 7.1. To get started, open your Squarespace account and go to the area where you manage your site content. You can do this by navigating to Pages. This is the section of the dashboard where you create and organize every page that appears on your site. If you are already familiar with the Pages menu, this part will be quick, but it is important because the landing page must be created as its own page first. Once you are on the Pages screen, look for the option to create a new page. You will see a plus icon next to something that indicates the page is not linked. Click that plus icon next to not linked to create a standalone page. Choosing a standalone page matters because it gives you a dedicated landing page that visitors can access directly without depending on another page as a starting point. Now you will be asked to choose what kind of page you want to build. Select either a blank page or a template from the landing category. If you choose blank page, you will start with an empty layout and you can design everything from scratch. If you prefer to move faster, a template can provide a ready-made structure that you can quickly customize. Take a moment to choose the option that best matches your goal, then proceed. After selecting the page type, Squarespace will ask you to name your page. Name it something clear and descriptive, so it is easy to find later in your page list. A good page name helps you keep track of what each page is for, especially if you plan to add multiple landing pages over time. Next, you will create the content using the editor. Click Edit to open the page editor, where you can add sections and content blocks. When you enter the editor, you will see the page structure, and you will be able to customize what appears on the screen. Sections are the larger areas that organize your layout, while content blocks are the elements inside those sections, such as text, images, buttons, and other page components. Use the editor to arrange your landing page the way you want it to look and function. As you add content, focus on making sure the message is clear and the layout supports the visitor's journey. For a landing page, you typically want a strong headline, relevant details, and a call to action that encourages someone to take the next step. The editor tools are designed to help you place these elements easily, so spend a moment adjusting spacing and alignment until everything looks consistent. Once your content is in place, you should configure the SEO and social settings before you publish. To do this, open the Pages gear icon settings. This is where you can set important metadata that affects how your page appears in search results and when it is shared on social platforms. Even if you are not doing a full SEO setup, it is still a good idea to review these settings so your landing page has a clean title and an appropriate preview. After you confirm the SEO and social settings, you are ready to make the page available to visitors. Click Save to publish. This step ensures your changes are applied and that the landing page is actually created as a live page in your Squarespace site structure. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to create a landing page in Squarespace 7.1.